STAAR testers, let's do some practice. TEKS 7.4b states calculate unit rates in real world problems. Hopefully you've learned this and this can be a review question, but if not, here we go. Sally pays $15.75 for 3.5 pounds of cherries. What is the price per pound of the cherries? Always highlight your question, underline your question, circle your question, whatever your method is for identifying where the question is, because that's your important information. Read the question again. What is the price per pound of the cherries? We have a keyword here, per, okay? We're comparing price and pound. So we're going to write that as a rate because something is changing. We're comparing two different quantities with two different units. So we're going to put price per pound. It wants us to find the price per pound of the cherries. Let's go back in the problem and grab some information to help us solve. Sally pays $15.75 for 3.5 pounds of cherries. We're going to take that information and we're going to match it with the units. So we're going to put money at the top because she paid $15.75, and then we'll put pounds at the bottom for 3.5 pounds of cherries. Now the question is asking us to solve for the unit rate. It wants to know the price per pound for one single pound. So we're going to put a 1 at the bottom because it wants to know the price per 1 pound. And we always divide by whatever number I have in my denominator, because when I do that, it's going to give me a denominator of 1 for my unit rate. So 3.5 divided by 3.5 is equal to 1. I have to do the same thing to the number at the top to keep the fraction or the rate equivalent. So $15.75 divided by 3.5 will then give me $4.50. To answer the question, Sally paid $4.50 per pound for her cherries.